Quiz 4 key. Mechanism of curved arrows, missing product. First step is deprotonate. You see an OH minus. You should be looking for OHs, NHs, SHs, and PHs. So it takes an NH here in this case, breaks that, makes an N minus. That's proton transfer. Then we do an SN2 substitution where the nitrogen reacts with carbon 5. It breaks the leaving group. Notice it has to come from the back side. That's what makes the ring. And then the inorganic product, for one thing we didn't draw out, left over is the Br minus, and make sure you include charges and lone pairs. Now for this one, it's very similar to a couple ones we've done in Achieve. What kind of reaction is it? So electrophile, secondary, so it could be SN1 or SN2. The nucleophile is reactive and small, that makes me think SN2. The solvent is polar and a product, SN2, so I'm going with SN2. If I know it's an SN2 reaction, I know there's possibility for inversion. I know it needs to come from the back side. So the nucleophile needs to come from here, because this is where the antibinding orbital is at. So it kicks out the chlorine. So the wedge and the dash can stay the same, but the sulfur needs to be on the right side because the leaving group was on the left. And so you get this for your product. So we did a couple different ways that you've seen. We've seen it come from this way. We've seen it come from this way. We've seen the wedge and the dash. We've seen all sorts of ways this can happen. These SN2 reactions. All right, last one. Given the steps, so 1, 2, 3, 4 steps. So make sure you do all 4 steps, 4 different reaction arrows. First step is protonate. Again, you have an H plus now. So H plus is going to react with some electrons. So now you're looking for the electrons on OH, NH, SH, and pH. So the oxygen takes those. Proton transfer makes it water, makes it a better leaving group. That's why it happens. Electrons leave with the oxygen, carbocation. The solvent adds. Nothing happens to the H or these 2 methyls. And the electrons from there go to the sulfur. Right, the H plus falls off, regenerates the catalyst. That's it.